I'm Piaget Jenkins. In today's video, I would like to quickly review how to create a data source within RES Workspace Manager 2011. Data sources in Workspace Manager are based on Open Database Connectivity, or ODBC as you may know it, which provides a common layer between Windows applications and their databases. This connection is usually established by creating a link on a desktop, laptop, or terminal server to the database server and the respective database. So, for example, on each terminal server running a specific CRM application, you will have to create a link to the CRM database on a SQL Server box, also known as a data source name or DSN. Now, before beginning, you will want to make sure that any ODBC drivers needed are already installed on the local system. So to get started, we want to navigate to Composition, Applications, and then Data Sources. Right down here we have the Add box. We want to click on that. First thing we want to do is give our data source a name. And then we can give an administrative note if we desire. And then next we want to choose our driver. For our purposes today, we will be choosing SQL Server. And then right below that, you're going to see a box that says Create Data Source During Logon. Now, normally a data source is created in a user session when the application to which it is linked is started. But this may cause a delay when starting that application, so if you think that this may potentially be a problem for you, it might be a good idea to check this box here. That way, the data source is created during logon as opposed to application launch. So right down after that, we have the change box here, and that's where we're going to begin setting up our ODBC connection, which you might already be familiar with. So we already have our name, the test data source, a description. Next thing we want to do is browse to our SQL Server box. Then we click Next, and in here we want to enter our credentials. And Next. And we can change the default database if you would like. I'm going to change it to a secondary database which I created for Workspace Manager. And then click Next. And then here we want to leave all the default, and we click Finish. And then it's going to give you just a summary of what we just done. You can also test the data source if you like, and then you can see the test has been completed successfully. We click OK, click OK once again. Now the only thing that's left to do is actually add access control for this. So let's go ahead and add access control. We're going to give it to a group that I created for our CRM users. Here we are. Click OK, and then OK. Now we have our test data source completed. The only thing we need to do after this is add it to an application if you so choose. Otherwise, it's there and it's available for any applications that need it in the future. Well, once again, thanks for viewing. This has been Data Sources in RES Workspace Manager 2011.